Welcome back to For High Garage. We are back with a video that should have been installed in the last video. Yes, I'm shooting this intro days after the fact because I found the clip of fixing the exhaust manifold and realized I meant to put that in the last video. Sorry about that. Anyway, so here we are with its own video. Let's get to it. But first, check out this cool wagon here I found at a thrift store. 18 bucks. What a deal. All right. Smoke detector came with a few plugs, but not enough. So hopefully the rags will work. And now we're just running the smoke leak detector on, get the smoke going, and then we'll plug it in, see what happens. It leaks right there. That is not a good seal. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There's a crack right there. Can you see it? Coming out of right there. So that did not take long. Let's see a crack anywhere else. Oh, I see it. Uh-oh. Alright, reposition. That's funny. The rags almost work better than the plug. But that is a clear crack right there. I don't know, like, I bet. Oh, it goes all the way back here. I bet I could just clean that up and hit it with a welder again. And that'll get me going down the road at least. Yeah, I think I would do it all the way around, maybe here. That's a terrible. So draw a line, draw an arrow, go that way with the weld. It's leaking. It's leaking from all of these spots, but that's the only spot I see it leaking from. Oh, that plugged up pretty good. Sometimes they crack down in here. Okay. That's what I needed to know. You can really see it right there. All right, now that we know where the crack is, get it all set up, prepped, let's get it welded. Now I've got it all set up. I'm not sure how thick this is, but I do know how thick the weld is, so I'm going to carry the heat from the weld over the crack. So it'll be more heat on the weld, and then I'll dip down into the crack so it don't end up blowing through whatever the steel is. It should be plenty thick. I don't know why these crack, but that's the game plan. It should at least seal the crack. It'll probably crack elsewhere, but this will fix this part for now. Let's see how it works. Alright, don't roast me too bad, but that looks like that's going to hold. Yeah. That's just a dip. Looks like that is not a blow through, is it? I'm going to go back over those two spots. It's kind of hard to tell, but I don't trust it. It definitely sunk in because I got it so hot. So crank it down a little bit and then go back over it after it cools off. Okay. Just filled in those divots. Looks like crap, but it's going to get the job done. Okay, let's see if we fixed the exhaust leak with the smoke detector. I keep calling it smoke detector. Smoke machine. Get the old plug in. Yeah. Got our smoke going. Uh-oh. No, that's coming out of there. Yep, it's coming out of the holes. Out of these ends, I see that. But I think I see... Sure enough. Good Lord. I didn't quite get it enough. It's coming out of right there. Need my Sharpie. Let's see if we can see that. See? There must be a pinhole right in there somewhere. Let's try it again. No, this is really just dirt. Okay, I'm starting to see it come out of the ends. So let's flip it over. I think we're good. It's just coming out of the end here. Did not get that sealed very well. go. But you can see all fixed for now. Now to slap it on that motor and hope the cobbled together weld job I did holds together for at least a couple years.